Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2019 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray 1LT in torch red on black leather interior. So we'll just start over the back here. Got the target top out, so it's placed in the trunk right now. This vehicle comes with the privacy shade, so there's a part of it there, and as I think you can see through there, it's got the Corvette logo on it as well. There's the second half of it in the front. We'll just pull this up, so you pull on each side here, and that will release the top, and it works like an accordion. So we've got the original window sticker here, we've got the front plate mount, and then you've got storage here in the bottom corner. So we'll go ahead, we'll lock this back into place, and we'll close this up. So this has soft close, so once I press it, it will grab and pull it down the rest of the way. And here's a top view of that Corvette logo on the privacy shield. So we'll just step back. It's got the nice Z51 style spoiler on the back that's color matched to the vehicle. We've got LED tail lights. We've got the lower carbon flash metallic paint on the bottom half of the bumper. We've got the NPP quad tip exhaust with dampers on the outer ports that open and close to make it louder or quieter. We'll just shift around this side here. So here's your rear wheel. So it's a Z51 style wheel, black wheel. Nice gray painted calipers with Michelin tires. Up top, we've got the carbon flash metallic painted louver or vent here, so that's great. And over here on the passenger door, we've got a nice leather insert on the lower armrest. We've got the white baseball stitching. We've got power locks, power windows, electronic door release, and a Bose stereo. So here's the kick plate, and it's in great shape, as you can see. Looks really nice. On your passenger seat, you've got power fore, aft, up, down, and power recline. And I'll go ahead and scan up the seat so you can see the condition. Looks great. Nice baseball stitching on there. And as I get in, just have a look in the door frame. Nice and clean. So on the passenger side, we've got outside temperature display. We've got temperature control for the passenger side. And we've got the nice baseball stitching that runs along. In the glove box, we do have the original books, so those are there, and your wheel lock keys down in the corner there as well. And I'll just let you have a look at the dash while I'm sitting on this side. Looks great. So let's hop out. We'll close this side up. And I'll just start at the back, and I'll scan down this side of the car for you. Looks good. So on this side here, we've got the black badge package. And then we've got the nice carbon flash insert there as well. Here's your front wheel. As you can see, it's in great shape. We've got the nice gray calipers, Z51 wheel with the Michelin tires. So here we are under the hood. So we've got the V8 6.2 liter engine, which is 455 horsepower paired to the 8-speed automatic transmission. And as you can see, it's extremely clean under here. Looks great. So we'll go ahead, we'll close up the hood. We'll have a look from the front. So here we are from the front. We've got the carbon flash insert there on the hood. We've got our nice LED daytime running light and turn signals in the headlights. We've got a projector HID bulb in the housing there for your headlight. And I'll just let you have a look at the lower half of the bumper so you can see the condition. Looks good. All right, and let's see if there's anything to point out. One little tiny mark here, which we'll touch up. And outside of that, don't see anything else. It looks great. So here's your front wheel. Again, nice Z51 style wheel, gray calipers, Michelin tires, and same thing on the back here. All right, so over at the driver's side, you got your 2 power windows, power locks, electronic door release, Bose stereo, and again, the nice baseball stitching that goes along. Looks great. Here's your Chevrolet kick plate on this side. Looks like it's in really good shape. As you can see, I see a minor scuffing right here, but it's so faint, I don't think you'd be able to see it unless you're looking for it. So here's your power seat. You got power fore, aft, up, down, and power recline. And I'll just go ahead and scan up the seat so you can see the condition. Looks great. All right, so as I get in, just have a look in the door frame, nice and clean. We'll get in and fire this one up. So in terms of kilometers, we have 4,355 kilometers on it. No warning lights, no issues on the dash. Everything looks great there. We've got our headlight control here on the stock. Over here, we've got our power mirrors. We've got paddle shifters for the automatic transmission. So there is a standard mode. So there's your minus and your plus on this side. You've got your cruise control over here.
Activate your trial service and discontinue this announcement.
You've got voice command over here. We've got Bluetooth telephone control here. These buttons here, as we hit them, we've got info, performance, audio, phone, nav, and options. So those buttons are there for you. You've got volume control for your stereo here, and track change or favorite buttons on this side. Here's your push button start, and we'll hit home. So we've got audio, phone, projection, nav, settings, PDR, SMS, and OnStar. So nav is full factory navigation on this model. Projection would be Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Audio, you've got AM, FM, XM radio, you've got Bluetooth streaming, and then also the media input, so USB, auxiliary in, or iPhone through CarPlay. You've got traffic updates in My Chevrolet on this side. If I put it in reverse, there's your backup camera. And further down, we've got our dual zone climate control. So if we change this, there's your temperature for the driver's side, and again the button on the passenger side will control their temperature as well. There's your Stingray nameplate, and here's your 8-speed automatic shifter with a nice baseball stitching. Mode select, so as we twist mode select, we've got sport, track, weather, eco, or back to touring there. And in the center, we've got 2 USB ports, line in, and a 12-volt socket. So we'll just hop out with this one running and have a listen. Good sound to it. And here it is from the front. Looks nice. We'll just go and scan down the side so you can see. Looks good. Here it is from the back. Sounds good. There you have, folks, 2019 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray 1LT in Torch Red, here and available at MonroeMotors.com. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. Look forward to seeing you real soon.